In this video, I'll be going through Work Together, problem 15-4. We're completing a performance report. And this is from page 456 of Century 21 Accounting Advanced Textbook, edition 11 by Gilbertson and Lehman. And so we've been working on budgeting and creating those budgets for the last 3 lessons. And now we're going to do a performance report. We finished the first quarter. So this is for quarter March 31st. And we have actual numbers from the quarter and we have our budgeted numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is just figure out what the difference was, increase or decrease. So equals actual minus budget, right? Fairly simple. So then you can just copy this formula and you can more than likely just paste special, the formula only, and it won't mess with any of your beautiful formatting. Okay? Why was this a percentage? I don't know. So there are things that are going to happen. A 0 is going to go in all the blank spots. We can probably just go in and delete those out where your headings are. All right, now it looks nice. Percentage. Percentage would just be the amount difference over or under, and that is going to be divided by your budget amount. And we've got 3.2% on sales. We increased 3.2% over what the budget was. So we'll just copy that, and again, we will paste special, the formula only. Okay? So where there were some zeros, we get these wonderful error messages. We can just delete those out. But otherwise we have nice looking percentages. I would probably center align them. And you can do some other things as far as how numbers show up. Sometimes if it's easier to see, you can have parentheses for negative numbers or have them in red. It's kind of all about what your number formats show, and you can custom number format so that they look different. So that's completely up to you how you want to do that, okay? But that's all it really is. We completed the performance report, we calculated the increase or decrease, and now it says, step 2. Place an asterisk in the right margin by every item that is significant. Well, with significance, different companies are going to decide different amounts are significant, different percentages, or even different dollar amounts perhaps, because the bigger those dollar amounts are for some of your larger corporations, the smaller a small percent change can really be a large number difference. So in this problem, they say that Maddox considers changes of 5% or more to be significant. And so, which of these is 5% or more? Delivery expense is, so they said put an asterisk there. We can do that. And I believe that's the only one that changed that. Okay, 5.1% increase, but then we had a 5.3% decrease. So that would also be significant because it's still a 5% change. And then supplies expense administrative was a 5% change as well. So we've got our asterisks maybe, on all of the significant changes. So that now is everything that we needed to do in this problem. So we've looked at a very simple performance report and just the over-under amounts and percentages. This is very routine stuff that goes on, each month at most businesses, but this one is, of course, quarterly. So there's the work together. You can do the on your own.